sure you probably have a third brand in mind with animals. Why don't you tell me about your branding strategy? Because I really like it.
Well, so I started doing some research on competition, right? And I started to real in my background. So I went to school for marketing. Although
Okay.
I don't, I mean, it was a good foundation, but most of the marketing, effective marketing that I learned it on the field doing things, right? So
Right.
uh, I think I had a pretty good understanding of it. And when I was doing my research, I realized that I don't know, I would say probably 90% of the companies, their number one and just right off the bat flaw in you know weakness is their
Yeah.
brand identity, their name. I pull out about 100 competitors in the Phoenix area, which is where I'm at in Arizona.
Yeah.
uh, and most of the cleaning companies are Rosa's Cleaning, Maria's Cleaning,
Yeah.
Stacy's Home Cleaning, Jennifer's Home Cleaning,
Yeah.
Perfect Home Cleaning, uh, all of these very generic names, right? Names
Correct.
that at some point the business needed to pivot, they can't do it because they're just so confined to a box of home cleaning. They're so
Correct.
confined. While it's so important to have a brand and the recognition that you're a local business, you also don't want to be the one person attached to your business because the second Rosa grows and she's no longer in the field, now the customers are going to kick back and say, whoa, I hired Rosa's Cleaning because I wanted to develop a relationship with Rosa. Uh,
Yeah.
so I started to analyze that, and I said, I don't want to put myself in a position to where people hire Ishmael's Cleaning because they want to meet and interact and have trust with Ishmael. I want them to be trusting of my brand and of the
Correct.
business and of my team. So using some of my branding background, I wanted a name that was short, less than 5 letters. Uh,
Hmm.
I started with a very low budget, so I wanted to be efficient with even my printing materials and my uniform. So I chose a black and white color. I can
Right.
always get uniforms, I can always get cards, I can always get card wraps because my colors are so generic. In fact, half of my
Yeah.
fleet of cars are white, the other half are black. I walk into a dealership, if they don't have enough white cars, I'll take the rest of them black.
Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video and tell us what was your biggest takeaway of the interview. Also, follow us on Instagram at PipeHireHRM and join our Facebook group so you can learn how to hire, manage, and retain more employees in your home service business. Hey, before you go, if you're planning on hiring and growing your headcount and revenue for your home service business, check out pipehirehrm.com.